Jai student, today we are going to discuss the sample questions of the economics. The first question, the government can achieve its budget objective of redistribution of income by means the government can achieve its budget objective. Government अपने budget objective को achieve कर सकता है by redistribution of income by the options are managing the general price level in the economic to the desired level. B. Increase the gross domestic product of the economy. C. Bringing the production of goods and services under its direct and absolute control. D. Rationalization of tax in pro-poor direction. The right answer is option number D, that is rationalizations of tax in pro-poor direction. The next question, balance of payment of economy record dash for a fiscal year. मीन्स जो बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट इकोनॉमी का वो रिकॉर्ड करता है फाइनेंशियल या फिस्कल ईयर्स का किस किस आइटम्स को. द ए ऑप्शंस इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. बी इनफ्लो एंड आउटफ्लो ऑफ द फंड ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. सी इनफ्लो एंड आउटफ्लो ऑफ फॉरेन एक्सचेंज टू फ्रॉम द इकोनॉमी. डी इनफ्लो and outflow of loan to or from the rest of the world. The right answer for this question is that inflow and outflow of foreign exchange to and from the economy. Now question number 3, identify which of the following bank does not interact directly with the general public. This is very easy question for all of you. The options are A. Bank of India, B. State Bank of India, C. Central Bank of India, and D. Reserve Bank of India. The right answer is option number D, that is Reserve Bank of India. The next question, identify which of the following is not the example of invisible item under the current account of the balance of the payment transaction. The options are air and sea transports, B. Postal and courier service, C. Educational related travels, D. Mercantile link transactions. The right answer is option number D. Now question number 5. Read the following statement. Carefully choose the correct alternate from the following statement. Demonetization was a step taken by the government of India in order to tackle the problem of corruption, black money, terrorism, circular of fake currency in India. Statement second, demonetization has ensured the improved tax compliances in India over the period of time. The right answer is option A, that both the statements are true. Now question number 6. The Miss Sakshi economics teacher was explaining the concept of minimum percentage of total deposit to be kept by any commercial bank with the central bank of country as per norms and status prevailing in the country. From the following, choose the correct alternative which is specified towards the concept explained by her. That is, options are A. Cash reserve ratio, B. Repo rate, C. Bank rate, D. Steady liquidity ratio. The right answer is cash reserve ratio. Question number 7. Two friends Meera and Sidhu were discussing exchange rate system. Under this system, exchange rates are determined by the market force of demand and supply. However, derivative effects are made by the competent authority to keep the exchange rate within a specific range. The above mentioned statement was given by the Sindhu. Identify the exchange rate system she talking about. So here she talking about the managed floating exchange rate system. The statement question number 8. Statement 1. Public goods are goods which service are collectively consumed by the public. And statement B. Public goods are excludable and reversible in nature. So here option number C is the right answer. Here statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Thank you.